folks. Welcome in. Happy Thursday. It's Friday Eve, as I like to call it. Because I'm so goddamn clever. Hope you're keeping well, friends. Hope you're staying safe amidst all the things that are happening. Speaking of things, I do like this to be like a relaxing, fun space. But I saw a post going around today, and it made me want to just say real quick that it's, you know, if you can't keep politics out of your space. If you ignore it, that is a choice. That is a political choice. It's politics. So I just want to say this my space um, is a safe space unless you are MAGA, unless you are a transphobe, unless you are a fascist, unless you support ICE. If you are any of those things, if you are any flavor of bigot, racist, homophobe, transphobe, etc., you're not welcome here. This is a space for people without that kind of hate in their hearts. That being said, welcome in. Let's play Mass Effect. All right. Let's punch some space fascists. Let's first make sure I've got this on the right screen. I think I do this time. Oh, am I? How long is the main mission sequence? I don't know. I haven't been keeping track. Because I've been doing fucking everything. I am 100 hours into the game. And I think I'm coming up to the end set of missions, but I have done like a gazillion side quests. Like so many side quests. I got sucked into the side quest life. At first it was overwhelming and then it was addictive. I've got one loyalty mission left to finish. I think that's pretty much it, except for like, the little find X quests. All right. Like this one. Like this little find X quest. I need to... Where's PB's thing? Oh, I need to speak to PB on the Tempest. All right, well, let's go do that. Beep, beep. Oh, that's right, because we just came here to look for her, like, nemesis, but she'd already buggered off. Hi, little bug friend. My little bug friends. Anyway, hi, Acid. How are you doing? How's your Thursday?
I think Lexi wanted to speak to you.
Oh, you think Lexi wanted to speak with me? Okay. Probably do that. First, check on my strike teams. Oh, you guys, you're letting the team down. Christ. Alright, that's more like it. Thank you. Yay. Great. Can I recruit a new Blue team. 120. Yes, I can. Yay. Delta. All right. Okay. Oh, they're tough. That's neat. Those guys are tacticians. These guys are rugged. These guys are rugged, tough, virtuous, but they do have an injured teammate. Okay. Let's send some dudes on some missions. Right. 92%. What's our rate if we send you on the gold mission? 50%. I'll take those odds. Whoops, I didn't actually mean to do that. Okay. We are just going balls to the wall with these guys, apparently. All right, we'll see how that goes. Wait, I forgot to actually get my rewards. Yay. Great. So where is Lexi? PB's up front. So Lexi is down. Right,
There you are.
What's up?
Hi.
Well, you're quiet.
One word, one syllable. That's not like you.
I'm just mellow.
I reiterate.
I received this.
Hey, babe. Sorry I broke your pet. It lacked versatility. Couldn't keep up. Maybe I'll do the same with your other new toy. Ta.
She means you. I hate her.
Ugh. Do you?
Really? Are you sure about that?
Oh, I don't know. It's not that she took my bot and broke her. We got Puck back and I repaired her. Better than ever. Now my scanner's fully upgraded and sweeping the cluster for remnant signals. We won.
But
So what's the problem?
It's just drummed up feelings I thought I'd put behind me. Turns out I just buried them.
what a surprise.
This is what happens when you let people in. You acquire baggage. I travel light, damn it. No baggage.
That's the wrong lesson.
You just have to let the right people in.
Right can turn wrong. Good goes bad. I let Kalinda become important to me. Look where that ended up. Now you've become, or you're becoming, important. But you need to know, I resist checking out of this hotel every day.
Pretty crappy hotel.
With accommodations like these, I don't blame you.
Funny. I just need a little space.
Oh no, not the
Time to
gum.
think.
The food test.
Hopefully,
That's
my
right.
now REM-tech
Hello,
infused scanner
welcome
will
in.
pick up
Hello,
something
how's it
amazing
going?
and make all this Kalinda
Wolf.
trouble worthwhile.
I talk. Wait for PD's scanner to find something. Sure. Okay. See what Lexi wants, and then I'm gonna go do something. I'm gonna do something. It's gonna be great. That's my room. That's the bathroom. This is snack room. Food quarters. Here.
We need to talk about Sam.
What?
Dr. Taparo does not approve of how we escaped to the Ket containment field on the Archon's flagship.
What?
By stopping the Pathfinder's heart. No, I do not approve.
It wasn't, it was either die or die, so I chose die.
We didn't have a choice. If there had been another option, I would have taken it.
How can you be so calm about this?
What's the alternative?
Ryder, Sam killed you. Yes, he brought you back, but what if he didn't?
Well, I would be dead either
I
way.
cannot learn without the Pathfinder. That would be akin to killing a part of myself.
Your lines of code, you can't die.
This was designed to help me.
Hurting me goes against Sam's design.
Because AI have never acted against their designs before. Look, I'm not against Sam. I'm not against you, Sam. But my job's hard enough without an AI stopping your heart. Even to save your life.
Noted.
Your concern is noted, Doctor.
Of course it has.
Lexi, I apologize for any distress I have caused you.
And I'm sorry for calling you lines of code. You're more than that. Even if you don't have cells to prove it.
She took off. Surviving a congested face. Oh, I feel you. Yeah, that sucks. I'm sorry. Oh, glad to hear you're starting to feel better, though. I get so many, like, upper respiratory cruds. I actually can breathe through my nose today, more or less, which is... It's a privilege. I feel blessed. Alright. Let's go. Fight. Well, there's a lot of it going around. A lot of sickness going around. I still mask, like, everywhere because my immune system is compromised. What am I doing? Priority ops. The way home. Return to the Remnant City. Okay. Shift key. I'm sure this will be fine. There won't be any problems doing this. Boop. Excuse me. Alright. Sierra, let's go.
Feels different coming back here now.
We're different. We're ready.
Sam's marked a potential override for Remnant ship control. A tower with its own energy grid.
It may be one of the controls that deployed Meridian, and the means to find it again.
Okay. I'm sure it won't be like crawling with angry little robots. Cat. Oh, this is the end. Oh, okay. All right. No, because I need to finish PB's shit. I don't want to go on the main mission and not have her thing done. Over here. Give her time to say. Yeah, for sure, right?
The Scourge really left its mark on these systems.
It's getting dense in the space beyond. Better be careful.
Better be careful.
Anomaly detected.
Great.
Probe away. Getting a scan.
Okay. Boop. Nice. Okay. Hey, Winter, welcome in. How's your Thursday? Yeah, it's the garbage planet. Where's Just trying to trigger the rest of PB's loyalty mission so that I can finish that. So that I can start the end game, apparently. Another nothing planet. So I'm a bear. Anything here? Nope. I am a bear! It's cold here. Ooh, exciting. Bear on Saturday. Like a VTube bear or like a costume bear or just like
Anomaly
a
detected.
bear in spirit? Where's this fudging anomaly? Oh, is it that? I've lost it. Okay. Where are you, you little bastard? I know you're in this ring. Oh! Yay! Nice. Hey, there you are.
Probes launched. Got a reading from the asteroid belt.
Cool. That was worth my time. We go.
Anomaly on sensors.
Oh, that's a big storm. Come on, dude.
Deploying probe. Getting a scan.
Big storm. Great. All right. Maybe. Do anything for me? No. Still nothing from PB. Maybe I'll have to land somewhere and then come back. Guess I can go to the Nexus. Boop. Right. I think this is the first time I've been back since we rescued the Asari. All right. thought I was supposed to. Yeah, well. Let's go find track, I guess. Yeah.
An entire remnant city has been discovered on a space station in the distance.
Fire breathing thresher.
Oh, they can play with tan. That'll show them.
Top scientists have a few answers. Dark energy anomalies, scourge, limited travel, and communication.
All right, buddy, where are you? Hello.
The others aren't here yet, but it shouldn't be long.
The others?
Kesh and Vorn, if we're gonna teach you Krogan games, we're gonna need more Krogan.
I thought you didn't like Vorn.
What, just 'cause I ride him hard? He's smart, real handy with plans, kept the colony alive and going after we left the Nexus. Kesh made a good choice there. Not that I had any say in the matter.
So, fire-breathing Thresher Maws of Doom?
That's right. Pretty basic game. First one Krogan kids usually play.
I've seen vids, and I know Thresher Maws are damn huge. But fire-breathing Thresher Maws of Doom? That sounds like overkill.
You'll see, it's great.
Can't wait.
Right, so what are the rules?
Kids game, remember? It's simple. Burn down all the other pieces on the map. You win.
Wait, burn down as in actual fire, or metaphorical fire?
What do you think? I'll load up the many flamethrowers when the others get here.
Well, at least the table's fireproof. I think.
Yeah, just don't hit the drinks. Bartender will have a fit.
That's it. That's all I had to do. All right.
Authorities continue work to establish an entire
The offer to put me on the transfer list for an outpost. Ryder?
That's me.
You're listening to HNS.
Yes. Great.
I think Lexi wanted to speak to you.
What, again? Yay, PB. No time to type. Come, come, come. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming, peeps.
Hey there, what's new?
Huh, funny you should ask. I need to know, if I had something really important to do, could I count on you to help? To come along?
Duh.
If it's as exciting as you make it sound.
It's pretty damned exciting. Thanks to my newly remnant augmented scanner, I'm onto something big.
How big?
Hear that signal? Best I can tell, it's coming from a piece of raw remnant programming tech. A building block in an unused state. My eyes bulge thinking what we might be able to learn from it, or do with it. It's like a rem tech wildcard. Kind of mystery I live for. I have to get it. There's no time to waste, right?
What are the implications of this device, whatever it is?
At the very least, it'll strengthen our bridge to remnant technology.
Okay.
Even just getting closer data readings could help us break down remnant programming, use their tech more efficiently. I need to find it. Like, now. Well, now that now's gone, so now.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
That's it? No preamble, no further interrogations, just okay? You're in?
I need to get all
I'm in.
your loyalty
Yes!
mission done.
That your game means the world to me. Loading the coordinates into the galaxy map. Consider me primed and ready.
Alright, let's just go see what Lexi wants and then we can go. Beep boop.
I swore I had you last night.
You were pretty confident.
You baited me.
Oh, wow.
It's my night off.
And bruh, you called me.
Just checking in. What are you reading?
Harry's latest report on Scott. He's a troublesome patient.
So you're not really taking the night off.
Work-life balance has never been my strong suit.
You're passionate.
You love what you do. Nothing wrong with that.
Tell that to my exes.
Oh.
How do you do it? Be both you and the Pathfinder.
Pathfinder's just a title.
Pathfinder, Doctor. They're just titles, not who we are.
I don't know who I am if I'm not a doctor.
You're only, what, 200 years old? You've got time to find out.
Well, okay. It's funny. She just like takes off as soon as I'm finished talking to her. She's like, "Whoop! Gotta go over here now." Just remembered I left the oven on. All right, let's go do PB's thing. Got quite the little menagerie going on this ship. PB. Yes. Away we go. Way up here, okay. Boop.
The Inalara system. Was that someone's name, Joel?
Inalara is a virtue. To know your map, your course, right down to the blood. It's a good name for the brink of the unknown.
Well, cool. Let's scan.
Anomaly detected.
River.
Probes launched. Anomaly found.
Okay. Oh, that's neat.
Anomaly detected. Deploying probe. I found something.
Comet Jim Dandy. Okay. Vanadium. Nothing. Open.
Anomaly detected. Probes launched. Satellite detected.
Cat satellite. All right.
Ryder, signal source is near a volatile volcano. I don't see a clear place to land.
Great.
Wow, PB's right. Whatever's giving off that signal is special.
Prep your team. I'll try to find a safe spot.
Okay. Active volcano. Great. Okay. All right. That seems fine.
Where's PB?
I thought she'd be here.
There's the PB.
Wake up, PB. Your mystery signal awaits.
Right. Okay, yeah. Actually, could you come here, please? My place. Straight away?
Callow. Hey, any luck finding a place to land?
Nothing yet. Might take a while.
Okay, PB. Be right there.
I'm not missing this.
PB?
Back here. I won't bite.
What's this about?
Callow won't find a safe place to land the Tempest.
What?
And safety first.
Oh my god. That's so PB.
You keep me on my toes, PB.
This is ill-advised.
I'm not doing this for the fun of it. The Tempest can't go where we need to be, and you can't get there from the ground. This is the only way in.
How are we gonna
In?
get back?
Where exactly are we going? PB, where are we going?
It's not my fault the signal's coming from inside a volcano.
It's not my
And we
fault.
should land on stable ground, assuming my subterranean scans are accurate, and the impact doesn't alter trajectory too severely. And
And tell me you have a plan for getting back to the Tempest.
is that a thing? We came all the way to another galaxy with no plan for getting back home. All right, brace for impact.
Yeah, that's the part of this that I don't love. Oh, fuck. Callum's
So,
gonna be pissed.
Are you mad, right?
Well, little bit. Little bit. Oh, my face. I'm mad.
Mad is the smallest word for what I am.
Oh, I love this game.
Close one.
Any landing you can walk away from, right?
Ryder, come in. Are you all right?
Sam,
Ness.
relate to the Tempest that we're stranded but alive. No choice but to investigate PB's signal. Sorry.
Right away.
She's
I'm
not
picking up the
sorry.
signal. It's housed within a remnant structure not far from here. Sam, plot our trajectory.
Plotted.
Need to get through that obstruction. Maybe there's a console buried here somewhere.
Oh, I hear little robots.
Pathfinder, there are extensive remnant systems, but sudden tectonic instability overwhelmed them. Much of the infrastructure is buried.
Brittle obsidian, eh?
We might have to break through a lot of rock to access the tech.
I'm back.
Well, what do you know?
Yay.
The network you're accessing seems to be a production system.
Production of what?
Remnant hardware.
Good. The gates are opening.
You've opened more than that. I'm picking up structural shifts throughout the cabin area.
Great. Thanks, I hate it.
Interesting. That observer is in a persistent idle state. Its neural pathways are blank.
Huh.
It's like Pac when I stripped out its remnant protocols. It has no programming.
Seismic activity increasing. I'm picking up additional unprogrammed observers throughout the facility. At dispenser points, you should be able to enlist their support.
Why do I need their support?
Sweet. Let's do that.
These little guys just hanging out. Yeah, PB, it's all shenanigans. with
Another
PB.
gate. Have to get through. Look, up there above the gate. Another node. Try scanning it.
Okay.
That node controls the gate, but it's disabled.
Yep.
Too high to access.
I bet an allied observer can enable it. Let's find a way to get one.
Okay. Great. Oh, there's something in there. Christ, get out of the way. There you go. Oh, these are containers.
A lot of this tech is already broken down to its basic components. Very useful.
Ah. Beep boop.
You are identifying yourself as an ally to the unprogrammed observers in the assembly line.
Yes.
Hey there, little guy. Nice to have you on the team.
It should now repair the broken gate node.
Thank you.
And voila! Thanks, buddy.
Let's push on.
Pathfinder, Calo reports finding no safe area to land. Retrieval may be impossible.
Great.
Oops.
He has detected a few smaller vessels making their way to the surface, however.
Oh, great.
Friend or foe?
Unknown.
Well, when is it ever being a friend?
Uh-oh.
It's
I know
fucking
that
Chet.
shuttle.
Pelisaria, are you tracking that sweet signal too?
Ugh, Kalinda. Back off. It's mine. Let's hurry. We have to get to the signal source before Kalinda.
Okay. Thought they were.
Active observers.
Fully programmed and deployed bots will still react to you as
Clear them out.
Reinforcements!
Trying, my dude.
All clear. All right. Now let's find some way to open that gate.
Pathfinder. This console controls the gate.
Here it goes.
Good. The gate's starting to open.
Is it full of angry little guys?
Thank you, Ryder. You opened a gate up here too. Come on, boys. We're
Christ, I hate this.
She must be on a ridge above us.
Shit, shit, shit!
Talisaria, the high road is much more direct.
How the hell did you find us here, Kalinda?
Guess you didn't notice the little transmitter I hid in Park. So sloppy. Ta.
Ugh! That... Ryder, we need to pick up the pace. We have to make it across to the next ridge.
The chasm is too wide for a jump.
There may be a way to extend that antenna.
Probably.
Dormant turret.
The control should be nearby.
Like, right here? Okay.
Pathfinder, interfacing with this console should allow you to extend the antenna so you can jump across.
Whoa. Major activity.
I can complete the hack, but you'll have to stay close.
Incoming!
Where do I have to stay?
Don't worry about it. Rerouting power from these other structures.
And reducing our cover.
Shit.
Ah, fuck.
Kalinda.
Hunker down. More remnants.
Oh, nullifier. Oh, I see. These favorite guys. Fuck.
No bots to fight up here.
I'm going to kill her.
Yeah, I'll help you. Sucks. Fuck! No. Fucking hell.
The antenna is extending. Let's go.
Oh, no, I don't need more help. Where am I going? Okay.
Kalinda's men spotted on the upper ridge.
Huh. They're in sniper range.
Pathfinder, there's another dispenser for unprogrammed observers in this area.
Who cares? What matters is that mountain of rock is between us and the signal source.
Girl, you are short-sighted. As if we find remnant too bad.
Now we're in business.
Activating could draw hostile remnant.
Anyone order a friendly observer?
Sam was right. It comes with a ton of angry bots.
Fuck!
At least our new friend is fighting for us.
Insufficient! Least one's favorite. Ugh, hate these guys. Oh, I regret my decisions! Fuck. 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 Fuck, I'm stuck! No. This was not worth it! Oh, I'm dead. They've already killed my little friend. So that's great. All the I hate
Enemies behind!
yeah, no shit.
The turret! Use the help! Need a little assist.
Got 'em all.
Operator, interfacing is escalating tectonic activity. The area is becoming increasingly unstable.
Great.
Come on! We have to get past that boulder. Try to destroy it.
The rock is too dense for your weapons, but there is a deep fissure that an observer's beam might be able to exploit.
Like this guy right
So
here.
scan the fissure and tell the bot to attack it. Observer to the rescue.
Aw, man, really? Really?
All right, let's get across and over the ridge.
Make sure they don't get inside. A triple share to whoever brings me their sweet implants.
Man, I hate her.
We've got to follow her inside.
A man won't make it easy.
Take them out.
Let's go, please.
Oh, I hope it kills her.
Hold them here, Cranit. I'm making sure they can't follow.
Sure you are.
Shit, what's she up to?
Kranit's that Krogan outlaw we keep running into.
Looks like we'll run into him one more time.
The last time.
So long, losers.
Sure, buddy.
No, no, no! Kalinda's barred the way!
Has
Need a little assist!
Come to your doom, Pathfinder.
She sent more men our way.
eat
Melinda
lead.
sends her regards. No more playing around. Playing for keeps now. What the
Granite's down!
Targets eliminated.
Quick and clean!
Come on.
above the gate. Another power node.
Okay.
There's gotta be a console for the dispenser around here.
Probably.
The console here will summon an allied observer to repair the damaged gateway node.
Gotta access the console to activate the
Yep.
dispenser.
I know how this works, Stevie. It's not my first rodeo.
Scanning the disabled node will direct the allied observer to it. To open the dormant gate, the conduit node needs repair.
All right, we're back in the game.
We're gonna steal Calinda's.
This is it. The signal source is in the next chamber.
I'm reading more dispensers for allied observers.
Really?
I'll keep that in mind.
Can't get a bead on the device. Let's drop to the cavern floor.
Right there.
Good place for an ambush.
Funny, that's exactly what I thought.
Kalinda, you ass! Just give it up!
There's a piece of pure, uncut programming tech in here. Plus, you want it, so there's no way I'm giving up.
Oh, hi.
Shit, you defeated all my men.
Really?
Not really.
Hostiles ahead! Here they come!
Outlaws! Get ready!
Back here. Okay, have a bad day.
Ah, you really are annoying.
Finished yet?
Not even close. But I will have to go on a recruiting spree after this.
Fucking hate those guys. Fuck. Fuck. I fucked it up. I fucked it up. Fuck. 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 Die, die, die. No, don't come over here. No, no. Fuck.
Careful, Hydra!
Yeah, I
Indeed,
know.
Melinda. It's fruitless. Silence? Don't like the sound of that.
The signal source is beyond the next rise.
Let's go get it.
You little robots.
Look! Over that pool of lava! Another power node!
Yeah.
Scan it so a friendly observer will enable it.
Scan it. There we go.
Yes! We're in business. Let's cross it and reach Kalinda.
This lava. Fire.
Kalinda's already there. We gotta get across.
Girl, I am going as fast as I can.
Jump up from here.
What?
Are you kidding me? How many guys does she have?
Kalinda's about to get the device.
There goes PB.
You won't make it, Kalinda. Too late, gal. It's mine.
Damn
it.
Shit.
Shit.
Go! I got this.
What exactly do you got?
PB, help! I'll give you everything I've got. All the relics, everything worth anything.
She's
Please,
lying.
I don't want to die.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap, what? I don't want her to die, Ryder, but the device, it's not worth her life.
She's fucking with you. Oh, she sucks.
Wow, that was close.
We need to get out of here.
PB, thank you. Listen, no heart. Oh, fuck!
Finally beat you to the punch.
I've got 2 shuttles waiting. Follow me.
Alright, well, I guess we're not killing her. Yeah.
Let's get out of here!
Hurry! This way! Move it, slowpokes!
Bitch.
You didn't save me just to watch me die, did you?
Was she always like this?
Always. Hey, look! The escape pod! Well, there goes my bedroom!
Hurry up! This flight has to take off!
The final stretch! Let's get out!
Yay, let's get out of here. Fuck yeah. We thought she was gonna screw us. But she still could. She still could.
PB, you put us through a pretty rough ride. Where are you at?
Has she delivered?
Delivered what?
We just received a massive shipment of remnant tech. Quite valuable. And this.
Pelisaria, with my compliments. My crew won't bother you again, and you're dead. Always Kalinda.
You have to go.
So she made good on her promise. She still doesn't strike me as someone to trust.
Being a fingertip away from death can change a person. Still, Best if we scan everything she sent over.
Yes.
Better safe than sorry.
I just wish we could have had that device. The scan data does provide a glimpse into how Remnant acquire programming, though. So we missed out on a key to unlocking secrets of the tech, but maybe came away with a glass to listen at the door.
We do have a little bookkeeping matter to discuss.
Ah, nuts. Yeah, the Tempest is light one escape pod. That's gonna cost me, isn't it?
I actually don't care.
We'll get a new one the next time we dock at Nexus. Don't sweat it.
Wow. Thanks, Ryder. But until then, what do I do for a bedroom?
You're not picky.
Didn't you say you can sleep anywhere?
Oh, you're no fun.
Yay. All right. Great. Huzzah. Did my guys come back yet? It's been 2 hours. Some of the smaller missions might have ended. Connection is being established. What do you mean it's offline? Oh, in progress. Everything's still okay. All right. Okay. I'm just gonna take a quick bathroom break before I get into the final mission. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's do this. Let's do part of this. I'm probably not going to do the whole end game because it's 11 o'clock. I've made that mistake before, and I had big time regerts. We will at least start it. Shift key. Oh. I want to scan this. You know what? I'm just gonna scan them. I better get an achievement for it. That's all I can say.
Looks like we're headed to a pretty energetic star.
Deploying radiation and emission screens. Our sensors should be safe.
It is a pretty energetic star.
Anomaly detected.
This nonsense.
Probes launched.
Element
Getting a
0,
scan.
hell yeah. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Oh, nice. Nothing. Also nothing.
Anomaly on sensors.
Alright.
Probes launched. I found something.
Mountain. Whoop-de-doo. Rondra.
Zuvi, keep an eye on those sensors.
I always do.
I know, it's just... This is a dicey sector. Better to be ready.
Anomaly detected. Deploying probe. Detecting what's
Shuttle.
left of a ship.
It's like one of ours. Huh.
Anomaly on sensors.
Very neat looking planet.
Probes launched. Tracking a huge mineral deposit.
It's graphite. Who cares? Alright.
picking up something.
But it's this thing right up here. Big glowing doodad.
Deploying probe. Getting a scan.
Oh, yeah. Nothing. More nothing.
Not many other ships would venture out this far.
It's our job to be first.
Anomalies.
I'm picking up something.
That you are.
Probe's launched.
This is one of the chosen data collection nav points. We should release a probe.
Sure.
Approaching one of the ideal probe locations, Pathfinder. The data collection probe is prepped whenever you're ready, Ryder.
I think I actually need to do this anymore, but okay.
I'm picking up something.
This one.
Probe away. Getting a scan.
Pretty, so pretty. Got scourged. Nose. That is a bright orange sun. Algae. Okay. Neat. Almost Earth-like gravity crushing atmosphere. Yeah.
Anomaly on sensors. Deploying probe. Tracking a huge mineral deposit.
Nice. Hideous. Methane breathers struggling to find shelter against the cold. Aw, poor little guys. That's really the last one. Looks like yes. Oh.
Considering what they were up against, your explorers made it a long way out.
I'm picking up something.
Is it this nonsense right?
Deploying probe. I found something.
Crevasse.
I'm picking up something.
Okay. Aha.
Probe away. Tracking a huge mineral deposit.
Nice. Oh, I always need more copper. So much copper. If I could make it to level 60, I could craft some more shit. I think I'm making it to level 60. Not before the end of the game, anyway. Oh, it's annoying. It's over here somewhere. Yeah, okay. Not completely wrong. Here we go.
Key to Sierra, the Remnant City. Activate the override and we will find Meridian. Deploy when ready, Pathfinder.
Alright, here we go. Who are we gonna take? I feel like we should take Jal. And who else? Maybe Liam. He's who I started with. This is my first guy. Actually, before I do this,
Everything looks right, Pathfinder. Find the override, apply that hardware, and the Remnant will fly the same vector as Meridian.
okay.
And all our work together will pay off. Ready?
It's a little overwhelming.
It's a lot to process, but we earned it.
For the initiative. Let's get it done.
Tempest, we're going in.
Again.
Quiet so far, but something's different.
Orbital scans identified a separate energy grid within the tower.
Me
Defenses here may not be on our side.
145 meters to projected override controls.
Okay.
Through the...
Let's look at our skills. Liam. Let's see. Al has all of his skills. Yes, he does. Yeah.
Remnant, and they don't look friendly.
Understatement.
Ah, fuck off. Oh no. Ow.
More incoming. They do not want to give up the space.
Oh no.
They're breaking. Keep it up.
I'm so clever.
That was tough. Worse than some folks.
We must be close to the controls we need. Let's move.
one last remnant door.
Controls are ahead. Projections suggest multiple launch bays and possible links to Meridian deployment.
So this is it? We win?
Yeah, Liam, don't jinx it.
It's right there. We just need to apply the override, and the remnant will show the way.
Sam, everything ready?
All relevant data is queued for uplink.
Right. Let's find a path.
Remnant ships have lifted off. They're following the override vector.
Okay. Little
The
too
Scourge is
easy.
moving. But they're getting through to something.
Meridian, Pathfinder.
Huh.
A remnant planet? Constructed?
It's hollow. Like a Dyson sphere, but moon-sized.
The self-contained seed world. It is the heart of the Vault
Huh.
network, and when reactivated, every connected planet will be affected.
Huh.
It is the means to make Helios a home, Pathfinder.
This is the day everyone in the initiative has hoped and worked for. Ever since we left our own stars.
Congratulations, Pathfinder.
Oh, fucker. I almost forgot about this asshole.
A great day for us all.
What is going on?
I believed you, fitting rival, that you are a false thing, a lie. Once I saw what made you special, your connection, I knew how and when to take it from you. I let you find Meridian, and now I'll use your SAM to weaponize it. All Helios will be exalted, or one by one your worlds will die, starting with Eos. All I need to start is an implant like yours. And thanks to your memories, I know who else has one. Another reason to take the Hyperion. Fall to darkness, Pathfinder. You were almost
Oh,
worth it.
this fucking guy. Yeah, he's gonna kill my brother.
Get everyone to the medbay. Hold there. What the hell is happening? I have no idea.
Hello, Scott.
Sam? How are you? What's going on? All we know is we're being overrun.
Cat forces are sweeping the ship. They're looking for you. Scott, the Pathfinder needs your help.
This is crazy. She's closing on Meridian.
The Archon has severed my link to your sister's implant. If basic function isn't manually restored, she will die.
Am I gonna play as Scott now?
Scott, please. Proceed to Depot K4 to secure a weapon.
Son of a... Info, Sam.
I don't have any skills.
Need something.
Great.
The Archon isn't stealing the Hyperion. He wants you and me. Your implant is the same as the Pathfinder's. He'll use us to control Meridian, and your sister will die.
The Archon will kill her?
No, losing me will.
What?
Hostiles are ahead, Scott. Be ready.
Okay. But I'm just a little guy. I don't have any
I am
skills.
sorry I can't help you fight. I took over too much of your sister's implant, and losing me will kill her.
So when the comms dropped, she did too?
Hurry, Scott.
Fuck, shut up. Do my best. Oh my god, I suck so bad. I don't have any skills. Oh, I bet a grenade. Fucking try it. Listen, I suck. That's why I'm not the main character. It's like this in here.
Scott, Sam said you're fighting to the comm override? You can't.
Yeah, I can.
That's what I thought. It's crazy.
No, I mean take the access route. If the Pathfinder's in trouble, that's all we need to hear. Keep pushing, Scott. We'll barricade at the maintenance access.
Okay.
Hold them. Scott needs to get to that maintenance access.
Yeah, I do.
Can't fight them all, Captain.
Then make it quick. Get to the QEC. We'll cover you. Run for the access tunnel. God damn it, get going!
I'm trying to kill people.
Get into the access tunnel. We'll hold them.
In the access tunnel. Jesus.
We'll cover you. Run for the access.
I'm in
Sam, the captain won't last. What are we doing?
Manually send a reboot signal. It will reset your sister's implant.
So, default settings?
To restore the functions I shouldn't have taken. With luck.
Okay, we're here.
Yay.
One pulse, Scott. That's all the Pathfinder needs.
This better not be a trick.
And it probably alerts the Archon. He'll know where I am.
I am sorry.
Me too, Sam. Me too.
Liar Shuri's!
Yeah, they don't want to kill me. Oh, wait, they probably can do that even if I'm dead. Rip Scott, I guess.
Open, you piece of... Ugh! Tempest, the Pathfinder is down! Come in!
I'm up, I'm up, I'm up.
You were gone.
I'm up.
The Hyperion's dark. Sam with it. We need to get back.
Wait, no. That door is remnant. You need Sam.
Well, I don't
We need
have it.
to get back.
Ryder, you're pushing really hard.
We need to get back. It's moving.
Your vitals are all over the place.
I can do this.
Can I do this? I guess I can do this.
That hurt. Can you keep this up?
To the Tempest. We have to move.
Oh, I'm not doing so good.
Try it now. Pathfinder. Come on.
We're here, Tempest.
I got her. Hey.
Pathfinder. Kit took down the comms and hijacked the Hyperion.
I know. The Archon's been planning since his flagship. He used me.
The Pathfinder is going to need medical help.
Shite.
I'm fine-ish.
reports from everywhere. All remaining Ketch ships are on the move.
It's all the Archon. If he takes Meridian, he'll destroy worlds. Starting with Eos. He thinks he's won.
Pathfinder. It kind of feels like he has.
Shut up, Suvi. That's quitter talk. That's quitter talk.
There you are. You need to stop doing this.
Nice to see you too. News on the Ark?
Still headed to Meridian with a small flotilla. You got the last signal before the Archon locked it down.
We're not letting that stand. Be ready to move.
Wait, we need a plan.
Stop ship, kill Jerk.
With what?
Maybe we're outgunned, but there's always a way. There's a way.
He's got the Hyperion. That's how many thousand hostages?
How many worlds does he destroy if we don't move?
Right?
And how many do we save if we get ourselves killed?
Well, we have to do something, right?
I know, but the Tempest is one ship and she isn't even armed.
I'm doing stuff over here.
Yeah, you've got all the remnant ships. For the Archon to eat shit. You love to see it.
You did an impossible thing.
Can you keep that up? Have them fight for us?
No.
Ket are tough, but Remnant hit hard.
The promise of that could inspire others to join in, across the cluster.
We have a for real shot at this.
Rally the troops for a last stand.
We're not throwing anyone's lives away. But the Remnant give us a chance worth taking. Right?
Right.
Every one of you has people in Helios you care about. We need them with us.
Yeah, all those loyalty missions.
Not to throw at the Archon.
Better
I'll
pay
make the
off.
Remnant do that. We're fighting for the lives we've built. That only matters if there's someone left to live them.
Okay.
The team is getting ready, Pathfinder. But you and I must talk. Please, meet me on the bridge.
Why can't we just smooch about it? Please check my strike teams. Buy some more thingies. Definitely need more thingies.
You're sure the commanders are willing? Good to hear.
This'll have to wait until the current crisis is over.
I need to shop. Fucking kidding me? I can't buy shit. Oh, that ticks me off. Boo. Level 57. Not enough to make new shit. I mean, no, but yes. We're gonna have Vetra out in ages. Let's take Vetra. Now. Wish it told me how many of them I had. Hey, I don't need that.
Here you are. Your speech rivaled anything I've heard Ephra give.
It's like 2 sentences.
And speaking of him,
Thanks.
he sent a list of all the preparations the Resistance has made. You seem so confident and calm, in spite of what's on the line. My heart hurts for your burden.
I'm excited and terrified and angry and... I just don't know, Joel.
You are the light that we all follow. That I follow.
It's a lot to live up to, but... yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Yes, you are.
It is beautiful, isn't it? This weapon. It created life, and yet only I see its full potential. And I even have the means to achieve it. Using you. I saw you from my flagship in the Pathfinder's memories.
Yeah.
You have an implant and a connection. And with that connection, I'll take Meridian. And then Helios will surrender or burn.
You'll get nothing from me. My sister will stop you.
We'll know soon enough, because your Pathfinder is already here.
Drop hints.
You continue to defy your limitations. Impressive.
I don't want to talk to you, shithead.
You okay?
He's crazy. If we don't submit, he'll use Meridian to kill everyone. That's why he took me and Sam.
Yeah, I know.
You say that as though I should feel guilty. Exaltation is a gift. Those who can't see that deserve to die. You still command, Remnant. But that began with the Sam and the implant. And now I have both. I no longer need you, Pathfinder. But since you insist on interfering, I'll give you my full attention.
That's more than we thought. We've got this.
They're closing, all sides!
We need cover. Hug the remnant.
Rock in a hard place. Ryder? Ryder!
When your back's against the wall, if you can't run from it, use it.
Stop running and use it. Callow, how close can you edge the Scourge?
Too close? Why?
Stop running and use it.
Bring us in tight so I can group the Remnant. We're using the cluster's biggest headache to our advantage.
We're kiting the Scourge. I love it.
Never been so glad to see that stuff.
Get the Hyperion. Archon, don't blame your people. This clusterfuck is all you. I'm not playing your games anymore.
You wish to force my hand? So be it. Unlike you and the Pathfinder, I do not require an implant. I have yours. You've made this much more difficult, Pathfinder, but not for me.
Suvi, what am I looking at? A wonder.
Gravity's inverted.
Architect!
Can't see the Hyperion. Extrapolating from last known position.
It wasn't built for landing. We'll beat it down, like it or not.
Wherever the Archon goes to ground, that's where we're heading.
Hot drop in 5, 4, 3.
Holy.
Pathfinder, I've arranged a distraction while I find Meridian control.
Pathfinder, it's snap dead. That's why we lost it. Looks like maneuvering thrusters only.
The Archon's betting we won't chase him with the Ark at risk.
We'll guard the Hyperion.
Kandros? Who's with you?
The invitation was open.
We hold the Ket, you secure Meridian.
Let's find the Archon.
Maybe not the right way. No. Ay, ay. I don't know where I'm going. God damn it.
Pathfinder?
B. Think.
Captain Dunn?
The core is lit up like Christmas, but Sam isn't talking. I think the Archon... Shit, I don't know what he did, but he has Scott. Whatever Meridian can do, he'll try to take it.
We're not giving up. Not when we're this close.
Look at the architects! Look at them! Aw! They would help us. Are they helping us? What are they doing?
Hard starboard. All power.
Dunn, what is it? Dunn! Keep pushing. Go! That's not the Hyperion.
Kenner deploying to defend the Archon. Get in close.
Kandros, are you out of your mind?
He's right. Mix with the ground troops. The big ship can't fire on you.
Not sure we have a choice.
Sure he does not care that much about his ground.
Debris incoming.
Watch your heads! Structures ahead, Pathfinder, and major energy signals. I'm no Sam, but that's got to be some kind of control.
Have to fight through on foot.
The Archon will not be allowed to take Meridian. The Archon must be inside already.
He'll use Scott to make Meridian a weapon. We can't let that happen.
Oh, I hate it when my thing goes the wrong way.
dropship. Heads up!
Your own reinforcements on site, Pathfinder.
The Resistance is with you.
Kadara's here too. Remember that.
Where'd he go?
Watch out, Pathfinder. The big kit ship is coming back around.
Stay on course. There's nothing we can do down here.
I think it's veering off.
Multiple groups joining the fight.
It's all or nothing.
Alright, here we go. Yeah, assholes. Hey, it's that guy! Oh, it's the girl.
Move inside, Pathfinder. We'll hold the line out here. Keep them off the Hyperion. You take this to the Archon.
Understood, Pathfinder.
Okay.
Tempest, we're going in after the Archon.
I'll relay the layout to anyone following.
Whoa, energy spike. The Archon is doing something in there.
Standing by. Scott may need attention.
Scott's he died. Fuck was that? Lights.
you're deploying, Pathfinder. Almost feel sorry for the cat.
It's like a dream. All of us. Together.
Yeah.
It won't matter if the Archon gets control and blows up worlds.
Don't need to remind me.
He's not gonna. We're gonna win.
Keter on a rally. Call out. Can we hold them?
You ready?
You know it. It's a fight by our cousin.
Together.
Let them breathe through this. Too lean for this, Pathfinder. We risk being more distraction than help.
Understood.
Deploying everyone available, Pathfinder.
Not strictly true.
Save the pedantry for the victory.
God damn it!
Dropships inbound.
So wait, do we have the ability to assist?
We lived through this. All debts are paid. I've run this simulation. Target as directed. New
God
Tachanka
damn it.
representing. Let's go.
Safe.
Numbers say fire. Target the dropship.
Oh no! Fuck! Fuck! There's no cover! Fuck me. Ugh. Oh. Fuck's sake! How many times can I fall off the fucking edge of this bullshit place? Fuck! Jesus Christ.
We're clear, but we need to regroup.
Keep going, Pathfinder. We'll shore up the rear.
Shore up my rear anytime.
Taking fire. Watch the active perimeter.
On it. And you better be grateful I'm doing this.
Dusting them with Drang.
No! Thanks, Sarah. Welcome in.
Those pillars don't seem structural. Is this all Meridian?
The capacity of that kind of hardware. How many worlds could it link?
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Are you pointing at the floor? That's helpful. Okay. I think I can get over there. This is Meridian. I think it's Endgame. Over there. I pushed this button and oh, this way. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I wish that Meridian did not have so many bridges for me to fall off of. Yes, my first time. I'm scared. Oh, fuck. Oh, God damn it. One of these assholes.
There is no doubt.
Pathfinder, the best of the Panchero are with you.
Glad to have you.
There's nowhere else we should be.
Orb. Full ass. Yeah, we're too strong. Orb.
Ascendant, focus on the shield generator.
Yeah, I'm doing that. It's not my first rodeo. No, these goddamn bridges get me again. Asshole over there. Right. Why do I always run out of bullets at that? Stupid orb.
can stay with you, Pathfinder, until the area is secure.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Pathfinder, multiple system failures on the Hyperion.
Damn it. Done? Done. Is there anything we can do?
Stay out of our way.
Ramming speed, apparently.
Pulling up. This is the captain. I need everyone to cryo. Go. 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 I'm rerouting power to all medbay inertials. I can give us one shot.
Get me close enough and I'll biotically shield the bridge.
The sleepers take priority. All hands brace. And it's been an honor to serve you.
Captain Dunn! Captain Dunn!
She is done. She's done. Was your pandemic
Still
lockdown
here,
game?
Ryder.
Yeah, not so much for
Cryopods
the bridges are not my
intact.
favorite.
Give the
Oh, she's
Pathfinders
alive?
my
Holy
thanks.
shit.
And the Archon? The tip of your boot.
I will.
Everyone read? That landing just made our stake in Meridian permanent. This isn't a race. We're fighting for home.
No argument, Ryder.
You have our support.
Pathfinder, you take that message straight to the Archon.
Do these Ketch know how committed we are? Can they understand their misfortune?
I think they can.
Make it hurt.
They're pretty stupid.
Vessel is grounded, Pathfinder. Collection and transportation is now much easier. But not you. You will never have our vessel. The Archon demands you die here.
Ascendant, focus on the shield generator.
Another one?
Safeguard Arcus.
Gentle. It's been a long ride.
I beat you in space! Us motherfuckers. This poor boy. The music is too epic and I'm scared. Whew. Oh, fuck! Are you serious? Oh, god damn it. Put this at the same fucking time? Are you serious? Did you reload any slower, girl? Come on.
Hey, Pathfinder. You better not be dead.
I'm not. I'm not dead.
We are secure
I'm not dead.
at the moment.
I'm not dead.
Secure like we're staying. Next stop, the Archon.
Boop. Okay. Oh, it's a gravity well. Oh boy.
How far can you go into the shell of a hollow world?
A little bit further, it
Guess we'll
seems.
find out.
Do it. Secure the adaptation matrix.
No.
The Archon? Does he know he's broadcasting?
Probably.
He's in Scott's head. We're connected.
Which way am I going? This looks like this way. Hello, observer. Hello, observer.
Remnant not attacking? The hell?
It's pointing? Trying to direct us? Did they do that?
They do
That
that.
can't be the Archon. Everyone see that? Doors closing?
Doors opening.
Could the Archon be forcing us this way?
Who else would it be? More doors. Maybe Scott's found a way to help?
Ryder, using Remnant hurts you.
Scott's.
Prepare to repeat the cortical stimulus.
Get out of my head!
You are irrelevant. I will use your connection.
God damn it!
No, not liking this.
Our home's parked on the surface. We can't stop now.
As long as it doesn't kill me, I'm good.
Oh, guys.
Look at all this. It's amazing.
It feels familiar somehow, should it? Oh, that unnerves me.
Everything we've gone through, worth it for this view.
I'm not
Can't let
sure
the
about
Archon
that.
take this. Touchdown. And ahead. Meridian control. Long time coming.
Ready, Pathfinder?
It's a gateway to everything we've been chasing. Never been more ready.
Let's do it.
The connection is ready. I can feel it. There. Meridian. The network. So close.
We need to move. Come on!
Literally moving as fast as I can. Oh, there's spirits.
It arrives. This attempt to rival me is no longer amusing, Pathfinder.
Hey, sister. Get my clues?
Pretty clear path, Scott.
Tried to keep him distracted. It was hit and miss.
So determined, but so pointless. Your connection serves me. I know how it works. The mind is trained to think like the Remnant creators. In this case, painfully. But I'm content to let him bear that burden. Whatever gives me Meridian, I will transcend what you pretend to be.
You're out of time. I've matched you every step. You failed, Archon. You're the pretender.
You learn by accident.
Yeah, that's how.
I am the genetic inheritor of 1,000 species.
Genetic dingleberry.
No more mercy. Kill them all.
Mercy. Mercy my ass. What mercy? I killed all your guys.
He's still using Scott's implant.
Yeah, he should.
Can they survive drawing this much power?
Probably not.
I only care about one of them.
Fuck! Get lost.
I can't keep this up. Stop him!
Dude, I am trying my best. Fuck off.
You will beg for exaltation.
Ah, fuck. God damn it.
I will use Meridian to destroy you.
Your orb, you, mother.
Archon is committing everything.
Hit them just as hard!
Eos will burn.
Your butthole is confirmed. You're right. Just stick my food up. Joe? Joe? Honey? Baby? Honey? Darling? Fuck out of the way.
Oh, no. Shit, he has access.
I can see the network. They are architects of life. You command nothing.
I made the cluster livable for thousands!
No. You have led your people to their deaths.
Are you fucking kidding me? I have to fight one of these assholes now? Oh, for fuck's sake, no.
Wait, the Archon's pulling too much power.
Little busy!
It's all going straight through him. Shut down the interfaces. He'll have nothing to draw. He'll take Meridian out from under it.
We play this smart! I know it hurts, but you have to call out where to interface. Get me targets! Everyone get that? We're shutting the Archon down. Scott, where to?
Nav marked for one of his main power draws. Get there. I'll try to expose it so you can interface. Hurry!
Away!
I've had enough. This ends here. Now.
Right, actually. Especially if I can find the edge.
Clear everything to the relay!
Oh, you fucker! Get out of here! Favorite remedy. Fuck! Oh, no! My controller's
I've
going
already
bananas!
surpassed you.
Fuck.
You're pathetic.
Stop yapping! Fuck, another one? Are you serious? Fuck!
Keep moving! We need the power relay!
Get off my dick!
This is just the start, Pathfinder. Everything you love will burn.
God.
Clear everything to the relay.
Yes, relay.
The Archon's fighting me. I don't have to practice.
Assisting. I'm still restricted, but the more remnant you destroy, the more fractured the Archon's attention.
I'll
Hold position, kill button. I'm on it.
Sam, soft spot?
The armored head, Scott.
Let's open it up.
You didn't think I missed this, did you? Everybody's joining in.
The remnant open. Now, me.
Got it exposed. Lock it down. Interface now.
I'm doing it.
Power relay is down. Give me another target.
There. The Archon's pulling power on the other side.
Let's go. The nav is across a gap. We need a bridge.
I can't. Look for an interface.
On it.
I will not suffer this insult. End them.
Got it. Heading to the relay. Keep moving. We need the power relay.
Exaltation is too good for you. I rescind the offer.
Keep moving. We need the power relay.
If you cannot be leashed, I'll burn it all around you.
Keep moving. We need the power relay.
There is no worlds that will hide you. No escape.
Keep moving. We need the power relay.
Fucking bridge.
Another gap. I'm not seeing an interface.
Hold there. I'll try and raise the platform.
God damn it.
Sure?
No. But we have to win this.
Every outpost, every colonist, every world you set foot. Your initiative will be ash. And it will be your fault. You made this necessary. Your defiance earned this.
Shut up. Oh my god, nobody wants to hear it. Ah!
Your people will beg and there will be no mercy.
I don't care. Okay, shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Die!
I will end this in fire and blood.
Okay, whatever, Daenerys.
I've got it.
Scott, are you okay?
You need to hurry, Pathfinder. We're all straining.
Sweep as we go. Nav points ahead.
For fuck's sake!
It will be like you never came here, never existed.
Sweep as we go. Nav points ahead.
Ow!
You earned this. Every life lost is on you.
Stand you!
Sweep as we go. Nav points ahead. I'm in range. Expose the relay.
I'm trying.
Fucking hell,
We've
Scott!
almost got him.
You
Don't
better!
give up.
Think you are special? We have exalted countless species.
You think you're having all the fun? We're here to kick his tail, Pathfinder.
Ah, fuckins!
Got it exposed. Lock it down. Interface now.
Relay down. Tell me how to bring this all home.
One more. Just one.
Scott? Scott!
Scotty,
We're out
don't
of
make
time,
it!
Pathfinder. Hurry.
This is not the end. I have the network.
Fuck!
Get on target. Keep a straight course.
Christ.
every vault, every world, I will purge you all.
Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Is that it? Are we done? Can I just kill him now? Can I just stomp on his ugly head?
Pathfinder, Meridian is online.
What happened? Oh, holy shit. Hey, Scott's not dead. Holy shit. I totally thought he was dead. He's probably got so much brain damage.
Sam is broadcasting the victory across the cluster. Aya is celebrating too. You did it.
No, we did it.
You are amazing.
I know. We gonna smooch now? Yes, we are. Hell yeah. Woo! Yes, the humans live on Meridian now. Yeah. Oh, it's it. Oh. Okay.
Outside our hearts.
Wow.
Times of need.
Wow. Well, I'm glad you could see it.
Under stars, we are alone.
Yes. Who did you romance when you played this? I guess you probably played it more than once.
Smooth under his skin.
So many French people because a lot of this was made in Montreal.
Wraps his heart and drags it in. And they move it all around until we cry. Under
The music in this is really great too. Hey, girl! Sorry. Heyo! I saw your name in the credits. I'm gonna tag you on Blue Sky. Thank you. This game This game might be my favorite Mass Effect game now. I really love it. A lot. It has just like a really satisfying conclusion too. Like, yay! You know, we won, and I get a smooch with my beautiful alien boyfriend. So good. I have to watch to see if there's anything after the credits. Oh, the French. I'm gonna speak it though. Boop. Yeah, I definitely want to replay it. Maybe not like immediately, but I do wanna replay it. I almost romanced Vetra. I thought about it, but then like honestly, every time I talked to her, it was about her sister, and it was a little bit like, yeah, okay. Can we talk about like anything else? Oh, okay, no, I guess not. Yeah, it looks like it would have a good amount of replay value. Honestly. This is it's definitely up there with Dragon Age Inquisition. Which is my favorite Dragon Age, which I've probably said 1,000 times. I'm so glad you did too. What a great. I didn't even die. I mean, falling off the edge, but that doesn't count. That doesn't game over you, so it doesn't count. Someone had told me like a few months ago that I would finish the Mass Effect game final mission and not without dying. I would be laughing at them. Oh, it's some asshole. It's the Archon's boss. Grr, I'm mad. Grr. I'm mad too. I'm mad we didn't get any more Andromeda games because people being whiny little babies. Oh, more stuff. Yeah. Yeah. People were like, what? No Shepard?
Hey, Scott.
You beat me out of medical again. How long?
Not long. Weeks. Enough to get started.
Started on what? The Hyperion? Meridian?
You're both our home now.
One and the same. Capital ship, capital city. The home for humanity.
Veilguard, yes. Yeah.
We did it, Dad. Are you okay? You and Sam?
Our connection has been restored. I am once again able to help the Pathfinder activate Remnant technology.
I enjoyed Veilguard.
But does he still need to?
But I could see.
I adapted to use Remnant without him, but it's not advisable.
Dr. Carlisle estimates an 80% risk of further hemorrhaging.
Further being the alarming part. For you and me both, Scott.
Pathfinder, the Nexus leaders are waiting for us.
Are we gonna get
Go
this?
on. I bet it's real important.
Come,
It
buddy.
always is.
Oh, I'm doing stuff. Confront Dale. Who the fuck is Dale?
Go on. I need some rest.
your father's first sidearm, a memento of his early Alliance service.
I bet that saw plenty of action.
This is...
Alec's first kill occurred in combat during the First Contact War.
Oh, they put
Back
Scott
when Turians were the
in
enemy.
my dad's room.
Crazy
Okay.
times.
Talk to my squad and crew.
The decision
Okay.
isn't yours.
What?
Neither is it yours. That is the point, isn't it? Pathfinder, you're late.
Can I get one day off?
Save the cluster, straight back to work. I get it.
It must seem like that, but this wouldn't be possible without you.
As outposts become colonies, the cluster needs its own voice, a true council.
And while I maintain that it is premature, we must
I thought
nominate
Veilguard
an
was
interim
a lot of
ambassador
fun.
to
It
represent
just
concerns
wasn't
outside
as
the
fun
Nexus.
as Inquisition. It
Or
wasn't as
rather,
well developed as
You must
Inquisition.
nominate someone.
Interim ambassador? To what and for who?
To the Nexus. The eventual goal was always a galactic council, but Meridian has accelerated concerns.
An ark has landed. The vaults may make outposts self-sufficient, and we can't claim to represent a sovereign Angara. An interim ambassador would represent concerns outside the Nexus, until elections when we can all step aside.
At the appropriate time.
Should be a vote.
If this person is supposed to represent people, shouldn't the people have a say?
That is precisely why we need your backing.
We can't impose a vote on the Angara. Or even Kadara. Eladin? Won't happen.
But you've acted for everyone. If you endorse a name, some may disagree, but they will trust it as a starting point.
Someone to speak for Helios.
I put forward Pathfinder Reka.
course you
I'd
do.
suggest you, but someone might think you killed the Archon to elevate yourself. We can't allow the appearance of that. But Reka keeps the position and timeline in the Nexus family.
We could give the Krogan a voice.
If we want stability, maybe we should ensure the Krogan stay. What if it was Morta?
You are out of your mind.
It's definitely unorthodox.
Morta it is!
You want the Pathfinder to pick a voice. I'm picking Morta. I think the Krogan have waited long enough for a seat on a council.
Damn straight.
Well, it certainly colors Meridian's opening day.
Don't worry, number 8. You'll be fine.
Number 8?
Scott is feeling better? Good. This decision, the policy and protocol, that's not what your victory was about.
Yeah, no shit, dude.
There's more to life than this.
Sure hope so, because this sucks. Wait, where are my friends? Where are my friends? Where is everybody? That's where all my friends are.
Status. Because I think we're good.
Discovered? I've been here before. I've not discovered shit. Let's go to my ship.
We got a lot wrong on this trip. They were right about Pathfinders.
Go this way. Hi, Sloan Kelly. What's up? What are you doing here?
If you're expecting a pat on the back, you're gonna be disappointed.
Aw, let's hug it out.
All right. I'll settle for a hug.
How does your crew stand you?
Some people find me endearing. Charming, even.
More like insufferable. But you do get results.
That was dangerously close to a pat on the back.
You're hearing things.
Let me get to my ship. I don't remember how to get freaking anywhere. Hey, Moshe Shefa!
Pathfinder, I'm told there will soon be a new voice representing Helios.
Mm-hmm.
Another of your leaders claiming to know what we need.
Oh, Ephra, shut your
It was
noise
an
off.
impossible choice, Ephra. There's no name that would represent everyone. Though the one chosen definitely represents someone. Don't they, Pathfinder?
Screwed with any answer.
The whole point was that I'd get blamed no matter what, so I went with my gut.
We'll see what comes of it. The glow from defeating the Archon can only last so long.
I guess.
Higher of GX's, Pathfinder. To better tomorrows.
Thanks.
It's overwhelming.
Hey, Liam.
I don't know where to
Hey,
start.
bud.
Pathfinder, catch sea for you in your planet. That's not getting less weird. About time Meridian got a proper grand opening. We all need this. Heard Scott woke up. How's he doing?
Not as well as he acts, but he's getting there, thankfully.
Stubborn as hell. I hear it runs in the family. Hey, know who I just talked to? A second wave technician, fresh out of cryo.
Neat.
Just had his first sunrise in Andromeda.
Aww.
He couldn't stop crying.
Just him?
Must be something going around. Maybe you're the carrier. It's really feeling like home, you know? Finally. They haven't given you 5 minutes alone since the fight. Have you had a chance to let it sink in?
I sneak in a lot.
I slip out whenever there's a gap in the paperwork, just to look at it.
I feel you. Just ground under our feet, knowing it's ours. I can't wait for more people to wake up. Enjoy it, Pathfinder Rider. Tomorrow, we're back on the job.
Back on the job, exploring all the planets. Spec Ringy. Hi, Ringy.
Pathfinder, here.
Hi, That's me.
So glad you're up and around. I have important news for you.
Okay.
There always is.
Yes, discoveries every day, but this is something we've been waiting for. Listen.
Quarians?
What should I be hearing?
Sorry, Sam. Active filtering. Initiative Protocol Alpha Alpha to the screen.
Protocol what?
Processing.
Repeating. This is the Ark Kira Sia. The situation is not under control. Note and avoid until further updates. Repeating.
Is that?
That's a Quarian.
The Quarian Ark. And Elcor, Drell, Volus? Hanar, I think. That's some delicate business, putting Hanar in stasis. Point is, they're still out there. The Keela Sia wasn't destroyed.
Let's tell everyone!
That's fantastic news. We need to report this right away.
It's good news, but it bounced too many times to trace.
They don't exactly sound like they're having a good time.
It's not a distress call. It's a warning to keep away from wherever they are.
Whatever's happening, they don't want to be found yet. We have to trust their Pathfinder.
All we can do is wait.
Wait and wait for a game that will never come, sadly.
How's things?
Great. How's things with you?
So, Tan says he's gonna let me stick around and help with the... Hey, Ryder.
What's the word on the street?
Ryder saves the day, Pathfinder of the century. You know, the usual.
Still?
Get used to it. They're gonna name things after you when you die, and probably even before. So we heading out again soon? Oh, she's all grown up, leaving home, doesn't need me anymore. That'll be the day. We'll handle my deals on this end while I'm gone.
Aw, collusion.
Seeing you two in cahoots makes me all misty.
You know this is your fault, right? Helping us along? Helios has really turned into the fresh start I wanted, in so many ways. And now with Meridian, we're really going to make this place ours. I can't wait. You know where to find me when you're ready.
Okay. Drac. What's up, my dude?
Kid.
That's me.
Old man.
This place is something else.
We can finally start doing what we were supposed to do when we first got here.
Wait forever,
Explore.
yes.
Speaking of that,
Womp
I sent out what's left of the Macmore scouts.
There's gonna be an ad.
Nearly drowned me in reports until I pointed them at Tan. Told him to be extra wordy just for him.
You'll love that.
He wanted the job, he can have the reports. It's not over, you know. There'll be more Ket and whatever else is waiting out there.
Ready.
Whatever happens, we'll be ready for it.
Next time.
Pathfinder
Next
and
time.
crew ready to take on the galaxy, huh? They won't know what hit them.
Where's everybody? Okay.
Galaxy, I made it.
Eebs!
Heading downside?
All these people are there shepherd dancing. Oh my god, let's shepherd dance. Oh my god. Am I even worse than shepherd? Let's see. No, I'm just the same. I'm shepherd dancing.
Let's get out there, huh?
Hey peeps, what's up?
Oh, good. You're here. Maybe the festivities can finally begin.
Why are your
I
eyes
don't
so
like sitting on my ass. Places to see, people to go. Yeah, you know what I mean. Well, let's get this show on the road. Meridian looks great, but, you know, been there, done that.
Hey, this was a big accomplishment. It's important to enjoy it.
Don't get me wrong. I'm proud of us. Helios is changing, and will be for a long time. I'm just antsy. Don't want to miss a thing. Oh, I almost forgot. Kalinda sent a congratulatory message. She was angling for an invitation, I think. Denied.
Hope you didn't turn her back into an enemy.
Oh, you're always so serious. Enjoy the moment. We're here to celebrate, remember?
Look who's talking, Miss Basale.
Just keeping you on your toes. For now, you're right. The galaxy isn't going anywhere. Let's have some fun.
I believe. Okay, there's Lexi.
Still standing?
Still standing.
Then I did my job. Somehow. Nothing more need be said.
Thank you.
There's one thing. Dr. Lexi DePero, thank you.
Yeah, that did it. You jerk. Go on. I've a reputation to protect.
All right. Subi.
Meridian, huh? I see it every day, and I'm still amazed. We're really starting to put down roots. It's wonderful. Did I tell you? The team's working with the Angara to set up a joint research body.
Exciting.
That sounds exciting.
I know. I can't wait. Us helping them helping us. Can you imagine what we could accomplish? I'm getting all misty just thinking about it.
Where's the party?
Joint research body, cooperating with the Angara. You're planning a party, right?
Of course. Nothing builds a team like a good whiskey and a laugh. You'd better show up, Ryder. We wouldn't be here if not for you.
I know.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Right.
Heading groundside?
Can't believe we made it.
Yo.
Hey, Ryder.
Hey, buddy.
So, this is supposed to be a celebration, right? You getting used to any of this yet? Meridian? The dream becoming a reality?
A long way to go.
We're not done by a long shot.
Come on, try to ease up a little. Enjoy the win.
I'm enjoying it just
But
fine.
so you know, I've got the Tempest topped out and ready. You want to blow this hot dog stand? Just say the word. Callow's out there somewhere, time one on.
Time
If we
one
can be
on.
sneaky, he won't even notice we're gone.
Who's flying then? You?
Why the hell not? I'm a quick study. How hard can it be?
Not my ship, buddy.
Mess with somebody else's ship?
And how about the Nomad? Just once around the planet.
No.
Guess I'll just have fun down here.
Glad to have you.
Can I go this way? I don't think I can. No. Right. I'm still missing.
Hello, Ryder.
Why, hello yourself. You're most welcome. If I don't see you, have a great night and a good weekend.
Hiya.
Hiya.
And I swear I remember my time in
friends.
cryo.
Where are my
Like
friends?
I've been here before. Crazy.
I deployed for this. Seeing it happen with a Pathfinder, it's too much.
Integration of Hyperion systems is
Wow.
ongoing. Our SAM node will be accessible on return visits to Meridian.
Fine. Okay, so that's my room that I came out of. Okay.
We got a lot wrong on this trip. I'm looking forward to the future. Our future. This is why I'm in the initiative.
Oh, Cora. Hi, girl.
Hey, Ryder. How's Scott?
Much better.
There might be 2 riders around soon. Imagine. The Hyperion's forming scientific teams. Gotta start studying what we have. I may have helped them organize.
It's what you do. Meridian won't know what hit it.
And we should think about what's next. This is a new cradle for humanity. That's a big idea. Bigger than I'd imagined. So maybe building those teams was smart. Small steps to understand all this, until we're at the top of the mountain.
And seeing the next horizon.
Can't deny it. I'm game for more. With so much power in our hands, you think it'll be okay?
We can be careful.
Small steps, like you said. There's no rush to figure all this out.
Right. If nothing else, Meridian gives us time. Whatever happens, you gave everyone an incredible gift. Nice job, Pathfinder.
Yeah, I know. Find Callow and Zhao.
This is what I expected. It's better.
It's overwhelming. I don't know where to start, but I can.
How's things?
Amazing.
No.
Ryder.
Even these Jardan were surprised at what they created.
It is not uncommon for a creator to be surpassed by their creation.
Couldn't anyone else have said that?
I can't believe all that happened. And they say you're the one to thank.
It's true.
The Pathfinder's here.
Wait, have you seen Callow and Zhao? Is this Callow? No.
Ryder.
Where the flip are they?
Hello, Ryder.
Yes, hello. Hi, it's me. No autographs.
Hello, Ryder.
Let's get out there, huh?
I swear I remember my time
Science personnel slated for deployment for
That's Callow.
Ryder, enjoying the fruits of your labor? You deserve it.
Thanks, Callow.
The Tempest is getting some much-needed service. I was underfoot, apparently. But I wouldn't miss the big day. Meridian looks so different out of the cockpit. I think I understand better why you do what you do.
Thinking of trading in your pilot's chair for some muddy boots?
Not even slightly. I know what I'm good for. I don't pretend to understand everything, but Meridian must have opened a lot of doors. Not all of them safe. I want you to know that it'll be my privilege to keep flying you to them.
Appreciate that.
It means a lot that you want to stick with us, Callow.
Of course. And keeping my ship is a plus.
Your ship?
The
Okay.
Tempest will be pristine by the time you're ready to go. Just point the way, Pathfinder.
Okay, where the heck is Zhao? Where are you hiding, sir? You're like fixed to your shit. That's right. Aw. Oh, look at all these people. Good gosh. Tack. Grazie. Oh. Varric fucking Tethras. So, who did this? Who did this? Red Jenny. This is great. I need to take a screenshot of that. I need to go back and take a better screenshot of the Varric one. There you go. Boop. There we go. Winner's getting raspberries. Thanks, I guess. Hawk. I could have helped if I had a that dude back in the game. So many things. All times are 314. All dates are meringue. Space is custard and sort of flaky. Okay, sure. Elation! Just a simple thank you. Hinder. Helen wait. So beautiful. Let's fuck. Wow, speed of entries has exceeded civilian buffer. Wow, that's so neat. Now where the hell is Joe? Where's my boyfriend? The most important one of all. And I cannot find him. Where is he?
Thank you.
Oh, there he is. Derp.
I'll pay it forward. I swear.
Hi.
My darling one.
It's me!
Joel, your affections are so loud sometimes.
Yeah, yours can be too, right? I think you're blushing. You accomplished the inconceivable. I'm grateful to be part of it.
I'm grateful.
No, I'm grateful. I couldn't have asked for a better team. We created this together.
And exactly what it is, what it may become. I can't even imagine. To think that when we met, the Angara and your initiative struggled to find trust.
The way we arrived on Aya was over the top. You know, uninvited and on fire.
Agreed.
Guess it worked out okay.
Ryder, the Angara will never forget how you saved the Moshai.
Yeah.
But more than that, we'll never forget how you fought the Ket beside us. How we destroyed the Archon. Meridian is a new beginning for your people and mine.
Is your
Together.
mother finished making my wedding dress yet?
Joel, I care the most about our new beginning. You and I together.
Darling, one day we'll have a place of our own, and I'll hold you close, looking out over a beautiful world. One we created.
Yeah. Alright, okay, now I'm going back to the Tempest, apparently.
Hi, Ryder.
Bye, bye. Da, 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 da. It's my ship. It's my ship. Hey, gang. Oh, she's so pretty. I can't. Can't even. With how pretty she is.
Making a quiet exit?
Let them have their fun.
It's no fun having the boss at the party.
Have you asked? I wager that most
Hey,
would
Ty,
disagree.
welcome in. Thanks for the alert. Hey, it's my twins. My twins. Aw, all my twins are here.
I tried to think of a way to honor what you did. Some protocol. There isn't one. Your father invented this rule, but you defined it.
I did.
Meridian is humanity's home.
It's so
maybe
good.
one for
This
all of
game
Helios.
is
We did that, but I'm the Pathfinder.
so
I should be out
good.
there on the Tempest with all of you. Let's go home.
And there was so much smooching. Well, you know, relative to the other Mass Effect games, there was a lot. And the like romance scene was like spicier than a lot of the ones in Baldur's Gate. Let me say. Hell yeah. Well, that's it. I'm done. Except for like all the little nonsense objectives. Thank you. Oh, it is a huge series. And you know what? I think this might be my favorite one. And it makes me sad that people like dunk on it a lot because it's so good. It's so good. It's so beautiful too. Like it's such a pretty game. Like all of the planets are just amazing. You could play this one without playing the other ones because I know like you were saying like playing an old game is harder. And this is like it's not super new. It's like 2017 or something, but it's so pretty. Like it's just gorgeous. And yeah, I thought it was great. I thought it was great. Like there's a ton of shit to do, but you don't have to do like all of the like open world stuff. But I get really into doing all the side quests. I mean, it is a good story. The rest of it is a good story, but you don't really need to have played those ones to play this one because it is like completely separate. It's a completely separate story in the same kind of universe. Yeah. So like if the oldness of the other games is a barrier to playing, then definitely I would recommend this one. You can make your character really hot. So yeah. There's a lot of interesting aliens and a lot of hot people. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I need to go thank Wolverine because I probably never would have played it if she wasn't like on one about it all those months ago. Yeah, I think I would definitely replay this whole series, but I think this one is my favorite, and I think it's the one I spent the longest on. I think it's got to be like over 100 hours, and I didn't do everything. I did most things, but I didn't do everything. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's the guy that was playing the first Bloodlines. I went over to him after I was playing my little green vampire, and he was playing the old vampire game too. And he's so funny, like playing it because he plays it and he's like baked out of his mind, and he's so funny. Yeah, he's playing a Tremere, so you know it's easy mode, but that's okay. Yeah, he also does music. I haven't caught any of his music streams, but he's mainly like a music streamer. He does the vampire stuff like as a fun side thing. Whew. What's the next game I'm gonna play? I don't know. I might do another Baldur's Gate run before I play another new game because I kind of want to do like a jack of all trades run where you do like one level of every class and you do everything but you suck at it. That might be fun. I do have I did buy Bloodlines 2 when it was on sale over the holidays, so that's on the list. And I also bought Detroit Become Human because it was like $5. I forget what else, but I've got a few things that I could play, but I think I might do a BG3 in between. Just go for broke with that. Tomorrow night I'm doing a co-op with my sister because she usually has like a date with her girlfriend on Friday nights, but her girlfriend's out of town, so she's like, I'm lonely. And I'm like, I guess I could play Baldur's Gate with you. I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm doing that tomorrow night, and then Saturday, don't know, something. We'll figure it out by Saturday, hopefully. Are you streaming tomorrow night? I mean, I assume you are, but what are you streaming tomorrow night? Is it Mike stuff, or is it more... I can't remember if it's Outer Worlds. I always mix up the titles of Outer Worlds and Borderlands, but it's Outer Worlds, right? Outer Worlds 2 Serial Killer. Oh, right! Rivals. Yes! I will try to catch some of that at least before I start playing with my sister. All right, I'm dying. It's so warm in here. Oh, do you want to see my dog? She's sleeping. There she is. She's like falling off the couch. There she is. She's like, huh? What? She's so sleepy. She's waiting for me to take her to do the thing that I'm not going to say because she'll wake up. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Yeah. It's not my kind of game, but it's fun to watch people play it. It would stress me out. It would stress me out. I need some, like, plot to balance out the stress, basically. Oh, she's used to it because I stay up late all the time, but she's like, I am ready to have my, like, bedtime snack and go to my little bed, mother. Oh, she's really like a toddler. Like, she's so cute when she's sleeping, but she's a freaking menace. That's right. That's you. You're a menace. Anyway, I'm gonna see who's on to raid. Boop. Who do we got? Who do we got? Come on, computer, wake up. There we go. Do 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 do. Oh, Mike's still on. Do 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 do. Who we got? More Mike. We got Beans. We got I don't know who that is. Clueless is done, eh? He's not still on. Oh, Rarius is on. Oh, I might raid Rarius because he's playing Resident Evil Village, and that game is fun to watch. All right, let's do it. Let's go over to Rarius as long as he's not like on BRB or something. Dummy mommy action. You know it. You know it. Oh, yeah, no, he's there. Great. So we will go over to Rarius in a few seconds, and I'm going to say thanks everybody for hanging out, chatting, cheering me on. Thanks people lurking, watching the VODs. Appreciate you all. I'll be back tomorrow night playing Baldur's Gate 3 and probably, I don't know, a pigeon dating simulator. Thank you. And remember to smash the patriarchy and punch a fascist. I'll see you soon. If I don't see you, have a great weekend. And bye.